Hey everybody, we're taking a little tiny cruise here, going to Captiva Island. This is the route that got wiped out by the hurricane. They're in process of doing a full rebuild of the bridges that got wiped out and the roads that got buried in the ocean with the hurricane that came through here. And we're headed to the bubble room, so stick with us. Let's take a little drive. As you see the repairs, they don't like unlicensed contractors here from the hurricane doing all the repairs to the properties. Continue our drive heading south. A lot of destruction, a lot of lots empty, a lot of reconstruction. A lot of these are all brand new within the last year. But it just gives you a general idea of what they went through here.
This is.
So for those of you that are following us, a lot of these are not pretty sights, but it's a fact of life of what these people went through here in Fort Myers Beach area. A lot of properties for sale. Doc's Beach House is open. This is going into one of the public beaches. As we continue making our way down to the bubble room at the end of Sanibel Island, you can see a lot of the damages still here from the hurricane that has come through about 2 years ago now. And give you a little bit more of the view as we cruise down the main drag to the bubble room. The palm trees. This is all literally saturated in the Gulf of Mexico waters. And as we continue to journey along the main drag, you can see a lot of dead foliage left over from the hurricane. And they're still doing a lot of electrical work here on the island, trying to get everything up to speed. It actually looks quite nice, but a lot of work still to be done. And as we make our way, getting closer and closer to the bubble room, you can see a lot of the damage here towards the end of the island at Sanibel. Good overall view. The bridges connecting the islands together. Welcome to Captiva, the island. Some beautiful houses out here. A lot of rebuilds. And as we continue winding our way around Captiva Island, closer and closer to the bubble room, some of the beautiful estates of Sanibel. and more of the beautiful estates of Captiva Island. A lot of repairs going on here, everybody. We make our way across the Captiva Island new bridge. This is all construction still going on from the hurricane of January, or excuse me. As we make our way out of Captiva Island, this is all repairs still going on from the main bridge of the September 22 Hurricane Ian. There's still a lot of construction going on. The earlier pictures were construction sites, the homes, the beaches of the island of Captiva. So as we continue our journey, as we depart the island, we're going to be heading down to Fort Myers. But you can see it's still a lot of the construction is still going on here on the island as we depart. So come join us, ride along. Subscribe, hit like. Got some great views, great overalls, a lot of traffic. A lot of construction still going on here. A lot of the walls are being built, the rock implants. You can actually see the flowing concrete feeder trucks laying more concrete down underneath the new bridge here. So we'll continue our journey and head down to Fort Myers Beach. As we make our way down the island, we're departing again, the bridge going into Fort Myers. And again, you can see the construction on the side of the main highway, and this is actually departing Captiva Island. And as we make our way off the newest bridge coming off of Captiva Island, give you a nice overall view. That in front of us is Fort Myers Beach, and that is where we are heading to. So come join us on another adventure with motorcycles and poker adventures as we make our way down to Bonita Springs for a little bit of poker. Come join us, everybody. Follow along. Well, everybody, we made it to the bubble room. Unfortunately, the bubble room had a lot of issues during the hurricane and is closed. We're sorry to say that. It was a great spot, great location that we were enjoying our trip to Sanibel. Many great times here at the bubble room, but unfortunately, like I said, it is closed and under serious repair from the hurricane. The good old bubble room, everybody. And the Emporium across the street, which is open. In business, back in business on the island. And the famous bubble room is unfortunately closed, everybody. Massive damages because of the hurricane. And on that note, we have to go find another place for lunch in Sanibel. The famous bubble room closed.